Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. So it's me, Kraslim, and I'm back with another exciting tutorial of Multisim. But before going into today's video, I just want to thank everyone out there who supported me and who reached out to me through Instagram, Facebook, or even through mails. Like it really means a lot to me, and I just want to thank you guys for showing immense love towards my videos. And also I was a bit inactive and couldn't make videos because I had this exam season, and also I had some workload from university, so that I couldn't get much time. But now I will try to be more active and regular, inshallah. So about this video, as you guys have seen the title, it's about the clippers, like how do they clip the waveforms and also how do they work and stuff. And now I will make the circuit and try to elaborate each step. So basically you need this 1k initial resistance and 10k load resistance, and this model of diode, it's a PN junction diode. I'm using this function generator, or else you can use the AC source. I mean, both are acceptable. All right, before going into the connections, let me just tell you what are these components and why are they used in this whole circuit. This is the initial resistance, and it is used to control the current or to maintain the current. We all are familiar with this diode. It's a PN junction diode, and it is a one-way conductor, and it conducts only in forward bias. And this is the load resistance, which is used to measure the power consumption of the circuit. I mean, like, if you want to measure the power, you can easily calculate it by using the relation P equals VI, and we all know how to calculate voltage and current through the circuit. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm connecting this diode and the load resistance in parallel with each other. And we know that in parallel combination, our voltage remains the same across the components. So let us do that first. And this is the oscilloscope that I just have found this from here. You can easily get that. We are actually using both channels, and I'm connecting the channel A with the input and B to the output, so that we can easily differentiate between the input and output waveforms. I am changing the color of the input waveform so that we can easily differentiate. Also, I'm setting the frequency to 100 hertz and amplitude to 5 or 4, or whatever. You can choose any of the value of amplitude. So yeah, this is how it looks like. As you guys have seen that the positive cycle has been successfully clipped. So how this whole circuit works, basically, when the positive cycle is given to the circuit, the this diode actually becomes forward biased, and zero point 0.7 volt potential drop is noticed. And we know that in parallel combination, the voltage remains same. So basically, this zero point 0.7 volt potential drop will be equal to the potential at V out. That is why we are seeing this clipping. And on the other hand, when the negative cycle is applied to the circuit, the diode becomes reverse bias and it looks like an open circuit and offers like infinite resistance. And we know that current cannot pass through it, as I just said that it offers infinite resistance. So that is why no current will pass through this branch, and all the current will pass through the load. And that is why we see the similar output of negative cycle as input. So yeah, that was it. And the working is same for the clipper, clipping the negative cycle of the waveform, with the fact that the diode position will be reversed. So I will just let you know about that too. We are just reversing the position of diode, but before that, let me just remove the connection. And now I will connect it again. So as you guys can see, this negative cycle has been clipped because we have reversed the direction of diode. Also, if you want to check out my notes, then go to the description box and click on the link, which will take you to my notes. And it has all the mathematical solutions and also a physical image of oscilloscope that I took by myself while performing the experiment in the laboratory. So yeah, that is it. And if you want to see more of it, then do let me know and have a great day. Goodbye.